Hello, Namaste. My name is Dr. Ravindra Shukaire, College KGDM Arts, Commerce and Science College, Nipar, Nasik, Maharashtra. My roll number is 25. I present PPT subject AI and ICT in Commerce, Transforming Business Models. So, firstly, I would like to thank the directors and supporting staff of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, MMTTC department. So I present my PPT on AI and ICT in commerce, transferring business and models. So first is agenda. In first slide, introduction, the digital commerce and landscape. Second is AI techniques shaping commerce. Third is ICT Foundation enable AI. Fourth is integration architecture of and data flow. And fifth is strategies use cases and business value, interpretation framework and best practices. Seventh is challenges, risk and ethical consideration. And last is conclusion, future outlook and success roadmap. So I start with first slides, the digital commerce landscape, channels evolution, AI and ICT, and the studying business information. The commerce arena is undergoing profound transmission. Customer no longer differentiate between storefront and a website. They accept the fluid journey that span every channel. This omnichannel shift is the background and backdrop against which AI and AICT emerge as twin engine of change. AI turns the massive streams of behavioral data into foresight, anticipating demands, personalizing offers, and automating service. Meanwhile, ICT establish the low latency infrastructure that the transport and intelligence to the point of interaction. Together they respond to the three fundamental levers of modern commerce: heightened consumer expectation, the need for rapid time to value, and the imperative to turn data into profit. In next slide, artificial intelligence now underpins every major touchpoints of the modern buying journey. Predictive demands models empower merchandiser to align the inventory with the anticipated sales, reducing stock outs and excess. Computer vision transform visual research from the novelty into core acquisition channel, allowing consumer to initiate purchase directly from the picture. Convergent AI customer service by delivering instant context aware assistance without man bottlenecks. Finally, recommendation engines act as the digital salesperson, presenting the right product at the right moment based on continuously refining understanding of shopper intent. Collectively, these AI capabilities create the loop of insight, interaction, and conversion. करायचं सर त्यात मूर्ख सर इथे तोंडावर तिकडे क्रिकेट खेळायला जातो का हम्म. झोपून घे जरा वेळ जाताना उठवल मी तुला माझं ते रेकॉर्डिंग होऊ दे आवाज येतो तुझं A sophisticated AI inbuilt commerce platform demand an integration layer that balance agility, capability, and security by exposing business capability through a rich set of APIs and microservices. Organizations achieve compatibility. New experiences can be assembled without monolithic rewrites. All events scale into the data lake where they remain in their native from the future experimentations while a culture warehouse supply clean structured data for reporting and the machine learning pipelines. In a real-time analytic streams side the atop this storage foundation allowing in scoring the recommendation, price adjustment and fraud alerts as the event occurs. Underpinning this flow is strength security models that they assume, breach and enforce verification at every hop, ensuring that the value derived from data never compromises privacy or uh, compliance. When I enable into core commerce process, the payoff is tangible and multidimensional. Hyper-personalized pricing leverage granular consumer insight to present offer that the align with shopper precise value, driving higher average order values and improve profit elasticity. Adopting inventory optimization demand forecast with the real stock levels across all channels. AI-powered frauds detection move beyond rules based on check, employing adapting models that involve the emerging threats, vectors, uh, hereby the protecting revenue and brand trust. Finally, a transparent AI hence supply chain converts soil sensors feeds into view that the anticipate disturb and empower the proactive sharpening all over the professional reliance. Successfully translating AI concepts into business outcome required a disciplined rollout approach. A pilot to scale framework let organization test hypotheses in low risk environments, rapidly iterate on model performance and operational integration. Then the replicate from the patterns at enterprises scale with the minimal redundancy, effective change management ensure that the technology adoption is matched by the cultural readiness, governance structure, provide clear oversights and accountability, reduce reducing decision making, simultaneously building a AI savvy workforce through the targeted training, mentorship, and selective hiring creates the human capital needed to sustain and involve the ecosystem. Finally, the great KPI tracking turns abstract benefits into quantifiable metrics, feeding a feedback loop that continuously refines models and processes. While AI and ICT unlock commerce capabilities, they also introduce a set of non technical and technical risks that must be proactively managed. Privacy regulation now demands that the personal data to be handled with the consent and audit trials, making privacy by design a operational imperative. If unchecked, can brand trust and invite regulatory scrutiny and systematic based detections and model integrity are safeguards. The very AI models we deploy can become attacked vectors, adversarial model, or data poisoning uh, and necessity cybersecurity measures, including AI-driven threats detection and zero trust frameworks. Finally, the compute nature of modern AI raises sustainability concern. Organization must optimize the workload and select energy-aware cloud regions and invest in green data centers initiative to align with the corporate ESG goals. So, last the conclusions. Looking ahead, the conversion of the generative AI and immersive metaverse experience promises a new frontier where the product are co-created, visualized, and purchased in real time within virtual environments. To capitalize on this wave, organizations should follow a phase roadmap. First, cement Realize Cloud Native ICT Foundation. Second, scale AI capabilities through the modular services. Third, waves these capability in cohesive and customer journeys. And finally, embedded a continuous innovation engine that on emerging models and consumer behaviors, executive must be champion data. AI talents lock in measurable outcomes and embedded ethical governance at the board level, ensuring that growth is more growth is both profitable and responsible. Thank you.